Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for taking the time every day to stop back at my channel. I hope these lights are not too like crazy bright. I don't know if I turn off this one. I don't know if that would be better. I'm not sure. I'm sorry about the lighting. It's dark. It's late at night. It's not really late at night. It's like 7:30. But it's at night, and I normally don't film at night because my house is so dark in the day anyway, but it's even darker at night. So I apologize for my terrible lighting, but I hope you guys can see everything I'm going to show you. Welcome back, guys. My name is Pam. Welcome to Pam's Life. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. If you are a subscriber and coming back, welcome back. Thank you so much for taking the time every day to stop back at my channel. Let me see if I can fix this lighting situation. It is really guys, I hope that lighting situation helped out a little bit. I do, again, apologize for the bad lighting. All right, so today I am bringing you a Dollar Tree haul. This is probably going to be my last Christmas Dollar Tree haul because I have pretty much everything that I need to have. The only thing I might do is stocking stuffers, so if you like to see that, I can surely take you along with me. Well, let's get on to this Dollar Tree haul. I want to show you a few things. Look at this hair, it's all crazy. I want to show you a few things that I was able to pick up at that wood section. This is the DIY wood sign. This is the little truck. I was able to find another one and I picked it up. I thought it was really cute. I'm going to do some buffalo checker on this one, I think, just to make a cute little sign. I did pick up another one of these styrofoam like trees. I'm going to make a Christmas tree out of yarn with this one, just in neutral colors. Last year I did a pom-pom Christmas tree. I made my own pom-poms and made Christmas tree out of it. It was really cute. I'm going to get that out. I did pick myself up some more brushes. Anytime I find the brushes, I will pick them up. I really do like them. And they come in very handy. That Crafter Square is really getting some really good stuff in. And I found more of the chalkboard hearts. I love these, especially if you have the farmhouse decor going on. These will be perfect on any project that you have. Sorry if I had paint on me. I was just painting back there. Has anybody used the chalkboard paint? Let me know if you used it to see how it is. I'm not sure how it is. It's made in the USA, but it's craft wise, and it's 2 ounces for $1. Not bad. And then I did pick up another one of these little wooden boxes. Like I told you, I'm going to be making a centerpiece out of this. So I have 2 of them already. So I decided to make a 3rd one so I can make a bigger one for Thanksgiving for my mom's friend. We're going to her house for Thanksgiving dinner. So I want to take something with me, and I want to take a little centerpiece with me. I thought it would be nice to take. So I'm making that. All right, and that was one store. So I really didn't have a lot of stuff that I was looking for on my list. And I do apologize. I didn't take any pictures this time because there was really nothing new to show you. So I didn't take any pictures, and I apologize. This is a kid's fleece scarf. And you guys all know that I make those snowmen from the pumpkin signs. So I got a whole bunch of them. I'm making a whole bunch of them, and I'm selling them. So I really like this star pattern on this one. So I picked this up. This would be so cute for some of my snowmen or any other projects I'll have. I love this Let It Snow with this little snowman. I'm making a pillow. He has the little red truck in the background. I'm making a pillow out of this one. We have like recliner love seat here, and here I have like we have dogs, we have cats, we have everything in under the sun in this house. So these on the couch, as you see, there's Stormy making an appearance. On the couch, as you see, are like mattress covers because the dogs and all, they get all over them, and you know, I take them off when I have company, but if I don't have company, I keep them on. It's just to protect my sofa from cats and dogs and stuff like that. So if you're wondering, because I know somebody's like, what's that on your, and that's what that is. So, all right, and I picked up some of these white tulle. I love these tulle. These are really, or not tulle, but mesh. I love these mesh. It's really pretty. I am going to, sorry, I keep looking away. I'm going to be making my mom, she asked me to make one of these for her. these little boxes. These are made out of Jenga pieces. I don't know if you can see them, but I made this square box out of Jenga pieces. And you guys know, if you saw my Michael's haul, I had so many ribbons, so many rolls of ribbon. So I wanted to use that silver. I really loved it. This crazy bow on the top, but I made a smaller box, and I really loved the way it turned out. So I'm making my mom one. She asked me and she wanted a white one, so that's what I'll be making her. So if you see inside, it's made out of the Jenga pieces. I put a little pocket in here for the lights. They go right in here so you can't see them. But yeah, I think it's really, it turned out so good. And it's so cute. The way it looks is so, so nice. I'm not very good at bow making, so that big bow is huge. And it's like a big giant mess, but you can't see it in the dark anyway. So, all right. So that's what I got for that. My mom asked that, so I needed a couple rolls. So I do the mesh, and the glittery stuff on the top is actually tulle that I picked up from Hobby Lobby on sale last year. So I have plenty of it left, so I'll be making her another one. There was Stormy. All right, guys, you know we are on a ketogenic lifestyle, so we're allowed to have peanuts. I do get them from time to time to put in chicken dishes and stuff. I don't go crazy with the peanuts because they're they make me bloat and stuff, and so sometimes they upset my stomach, but I needed to get it. Isn't this cool? This is so cool. They said that this was a candy for candy, but I'm making a centerpiece out of this. I'm going to paint it white and make a centerpiece, but I love the little, see the little ripple here? I love the way that turned out. That's really, really cute. So I am going to make this into a pot, like for flowers and stuff for Christmas. So I think it's going to turn out really cute. So I can't wait to do that. They came out with some really cool stuff for parties and stuff. All right, and new at my Dollar Tree, I've never seen this before, and this is Crafter Square. They even changed the way they have the washi tape. This is avocados and a coconut. So cute. I can't have the donuts, but the avocado made me laugh. I thought that was really, really funny. So, yep, got that one. This one this cracked me up because it has a moose. See the moose here, riding a bicycle, and a tiger and an elephant. So cute. And then this is a sloth. How cute are they? So cute. That's going to look good in my planner. So I got them. Got a set of mini 20 lights. These ones actually plug in. They're not battery operated. They're indoor use only. 5 feet. So that's going to fit one of these boxes really, really good. And then I told you guys about the Wet n Wild. So cool how they have the Wet n Wild in every single store. So I got this green. This will be going to my niece. So she likes this singer. I'm not going to say who it is, but she has green hair. So I got green just for her. And then I found these, and these are galvanized tin here, but aren't they cute? These Christmas trees with the old bells. So I just picked up 2 of them. So cute. I think they're stinking cute. Then I got a little pair of baby booties. So cute. So cute. They have a whole bunch of stuff there. And I needed some Chanel stems. I needed the red and the white ones because I'm making a gnome, but this one's not going to be like a gnome man. It's going to be a little mouse gnome. I saw a video last year about it, so I'm going to recreate it. Go put my own little twist on it. I'm not going to do exactly what the previous person did. I want to do something a little different. So, yeah, that will actually be coming probably next week because I'll be working on it on Thanksgiving or the day before or something. Because my husband's going away. I'm going to be here all by myself. He's going away. He's going to go visit his parents. So I will be home for the holidays by myself. Which I don't care. It's going to be fun. All right. And then I saw this body powder by Arm & Hammer. So I did pick up 2 of them. It's talc free. So I do use it, you know. So I just picked it up. I want to see how well that would work. And it is 5 ounces. So I'm not sure how much it is at the store, if you can find this at the store. But they had the body and the foot one, and I got the body one. All right, and that is that for that store. And then I picked up, Stefano somehow lost his big salad bowl. I don't know where he lost it at, so I bought him another one so he can have his salads. And I got myself, this year we're not putting up our big Christmas tree. we just have so much going on right now, health-wise, his parents, things are going on with his family, so he's just not in the mindset of Christmas right now. So he's going to go down, visit his parents, check on his dad and things. So I'm not going to bother him to rearrange furniture so I could get my tree up. So I bought this little white tree. We all know these little white trees. However, I'm not going to keep it white. I'm spray painting it red. I've never had a red tree before, so I want to have a red tree with white light. So I got the white tree. So we will be spray painting that probably tomorrow. Sorry guys, I just knocked over. And then I got this cute little bag. I'm actually doing a DIY with this one. It's going to be in my picture frame window, and I want to put him in the window. I thought it was so cute. I can't wait to do it. I'm actually going to do it when I'm done videotaping all this, video recording, tape, whatever I'm doing. All right, so this is another big bag right here, another bag. So let me put this down. Okay, so I got myself a garland. This is 2 of them and it's 15 feet. I got this to do a garland wrap around my bedroom door because I wanted to have it around my bedroom. I want to do some cheery little things in my bedroom for Christmas. I usually don't decorate my bedroom, but I want to do something special. And then who doesn't love the red trucks? This is so cute. I love this. It's a twist on. You know, so I loved it. I thought I had 2 in my hand, but I put one back. I'm like, I don't need 2 of them. I only need 1. And this tumbler is just so cute. I don't have my glasses, but it's not recommended for use in a microwave or dishwasher, so don't reheat anything in this. But and that's all it says. It doesn't say how big it is, so I'm not sure how big this is. Maybe, I don't think it's 16 ounces, maybe 12 ounces, 10 to 12 ounces. So, yep, that'll be great. And then I finally found these. I showed you these, I think a couple months ago. I found 2 of them. I used one for a DIY with that reindeer head that you get from the Dollar Tree. So I needed another one because this is going to be for us for Christmas. With our Christmas decor. I love the wood look. I just think it's so pretty. I only got one because I already have one. And then let's see here. I needed popsicle sticks for this box. This box, how I have it reinforced with the Jenga is with popsicle sticks all around. So, I mean, that turned out so good. I love how that one turned out compared to my big one that I made with those big dowels. I don't like how that one turned out. And then I needed a picture frame for my beloved, my little sweet Mia. She passed away. I'm still having a hard time. So I got her this picture frame, but I'm going to paint it in her little favorite color and put her in there. I love her. I miss her. So, yep, that. And then I got this cool bucket. I mean, I put all kinds of stuff in it, but this cool bucket, it says, "Believe in the magic of Christmas." So cute. So I got some socks, some fuzzy socks. Now you guys know when I get my fuzzy socks, it is for a gnome, and this one is so cute. I will link my gnome video here if you want to check out that gnome video. It was made when I first started doing videos, but it is a fun, easy peasy gnome to make for the holidays. Great for gift giving. I've given a few out for Christmas and birthdays and things, and people love them. So look, a Mod Podge. Now, I'm on the fence about buying Mod Podge constantly from the Dollar Tree because $1. If I just invest in one of those big bottles from Hobby Lobby and use a 40% coupon, it probably would be a better deal. But I was in a pinch, so I grabbed 2 of the matte finishes. So for a project that I'll be doing. And then look, this cool. Aw, is that cute? That's so cool, this keychain. I love it, and it's so soft. This looks like my little boy Lux, and I'll show you him here. He's such a cutie. I love that kitten. All right, and then tell me these aren't cute. These are the buffalo checker slippers for women. They only had them in the size 5 through 9, and it's the women's slippers. But aren't they cute? They're nice and fuzzy inside. I saw people doing DIYs with these, and I thought, oh, that was a good idea. But I'm keeping them for myself. Okay, and then here we go. This is some supplies that you would need for the mouse gnome and also for the regular gnome. Now this is a deal because when I first started making gnomes, they didn't have this many pairs of socks. So it's 3 pairs of socks, women's socks. There's 3 pair in here. So that means that 6 gnomes you can make for $1, you know, like the outline. And then they have the little baby slipper socks. Well, these don't have the little things on them. They're just regular socks. Now, when I make the mouse gnome, you need to have the baby socks. So just prepare yourself if you want to watch along with me next week when I put it up next week. So you'll need the baby socks. So, yep. And then I got... Since I ran out of glue sticks not too long ago, I was so upset about it. I went and I got 2 more bags of glue sticks. I've never ran out of glue sticks before, and then bam, I ran out of them. So I'm trying to see if I got anything else here. So, and then the rest is just like hot, like just general stuff that I get. This I make for my White Castle cheeseburger casserole. If you want to see a video on that, please let me know down below. It is the best meal, and I love it. I could have lived on it every single day. It's so good. It's so good. So, but if you want to see a recipe with me making the White Castle cheeseburger casserole dish, please let me know down below, and I'll be more than happy to do it. Of course, it's going to be a keto version. So, and even the keto version, everybody will love. And that is that, guys, for my haul. I'm sorry it's kind of rushed and I'm talking really fast, but the cat's not making any noise today because I know some people don't like his noises. He does talk an awful lot. Stormy made an appearance back there. Like I said, I don't make her come to me to sit, but when she does sit, she does love just to watch me show things. I don't know what it is, but she loves it. All right, guys, so thank you so much, everyone. We're almost at 10,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for doing that for me. And if you are new here, please give me a thumbs up. It does let YouTube recognize me even more with all the thumbs up. We do need, with all these changes coming to YouTube, I don't know what is going on, but so many changes. People aren't being notified of my videos. I don't know why. The new family friendly stuff is just driving me crazy. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know. All kinds of stuff. So if you don't mind, please hit that thumbs up button. Even if you hit the thumbs down button, that's fine with me. It still helps me. So guys, thank you so much for coming along. And like I always say, somehow, some way, I'll have an amazing day. You make your day amazing, and together, friends, we'll have an amazing day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.